Record your own music on your home PC. Digital audio recording on your PC. It's not as difficult as you might think to make your own recordings on your computer. You need to have a good sound card, a digital recording audio program, and a fairly good microphone. These are items that you can find at your favorite computer store. The microphone should be a good quality microphone for recording voice or instrument and not a headset microphone or the like. If your PC does not have a good sound card, get one and install it. Actually, most PCs, or Macs, already have a good sound card. You may need an adapter for your microphone to change the size of the plug from 1/4 inch to mini, which most sound cards accept. Plug your microphone in and find a mixer software that came with the sound card. You will have to switch your microphone on and play with setting the level. Install your audio program and set up for recording. Once you have installed your audio program, open it and go into the options menu in the toolbar that will, most likely, be found right at the top. In this menu, go down to Audio and be sure your sound card is selected. You may also have the option of setting the sample rate, and you will want 44,100 Hz, as this is a CD quality sample rate. If you record with a lower rate, you will not be able to burn your files to CD. Next, go into MIDI in the same menu and select your MIDI device. If you are going to record MIDI through your sound card, be sure the MIDI device from your sound card is selected. To make a MIDI recording, MIDI is a file format. It is one of the two main file formats used for sound recording. One way that you would make a MIDI recording would be to plug a MIDI-compatible instrument, such as an electric keyboard, through your sound card. For this, you need a MIDI cable. The next step is to select a track in your audio program, click on Source and select the MIDI device you are using. Find your metronome or your click track, which is probably in the Options menu under Project, and you can set it to play during your recording and during playback to synchronize the recording of other tracks. You can also disable it altogether if that is your preference. The advantage of the MIDI format is that you can easily change the sound of the instrument voice you are recording with, so that you can get flute or trumpet, for example. The disadvantage is that the sound will only be as good as the MIDI device you are using. You will need to experiment with different MIDI devices and instrument ranges. Software synthesizer plugins can give you a better sound. Also, you cannot record the MIDI format to CD. it needs to be mixed down or recorded to the next audio format we will be discussing, which is wave. To make an audio recording using the wave format, anything that you record through a microphone, such as a voice or any instrument, is recorded using the wave format. With wave, you get back exactly what you record. One advantage, though, is that editing possibilities are tremendous, easy, and can be instantly reversed without losing the original track. To record to wave, select your track and go to the source again, only this time selecting audio. Arm the track and set up your click, if you want it, and you are all set. This is a very basic overview of digital audio recording, and there are, obviously, almost endless nuances as far as mixing, effects, and plugins go. However, even if you read the manual that came with your audio program from cover to cover, most of the learning curve comes from trying it and experimenting, and this is where a lot of the fun and creativity comes in. I made some of my most interesting recordings as I was just learning. You can't really hurt anything, so just let it all hang out and try it all out. Useful links: video tutorials on digital recording.